Hi, this is Mrs. Rebecca. I'm here to show you some tools that can make it a lot easier when you're doing your work at home. We can also use these tools when we're back together in the classroom. The first tool I want to show you is how you can use your voice to tell the computer to type for you. This can make it easier when you have to answer a question, or if you have to write a paragraph, or even if you just want to write a message to somebody. That way you don't have to stop and think about how to spell every word. You still have to be careful though, and remember the rules about sentences. Let's practice together. We're going to use a tool, so we want to go to the Tools menu. When I click on this, down here you can see there's a microphone. This is voice typing. That's the tool we're going to use right now. So I'm going to click on voice typing. You'll see there's a microphone that pops up on the side. When it's black, it's off. When it's red, it's on and it's listening to you. Anything that you say, when it turns red, the computer will try to type for you. Let's see what that looks like. Hello, today is Monday. I'm going to turn off the microphone so that it's not going to type what I'm saying right now. Let's look at a sentence. We know that a sentence should start with a capital letter. It did that for us. It didn't put a stop sign at the end though. We don't have a period or a question mark or an exclamation mark. We could put it in ourselves with the keyboard. I'm going to type in a period. I'll show you a different way we can do that though. Hello, today is Monday. Period. When I said period, the computer remembered to put one in. So there's two different ways that you can go and end your sentences. I could be really excited that it's Monday. Hello, today is Monday. Exclamation point. And it added the exclamation point for me. Now you think I'm excited that it's Monday, don't you? If I forgot to turn off my microphone and I kept on talking to somebody even after I answered the question my teacher told me to answer, you can see the computer is going to keep typing and typing. You're going to want to go back and check your document to make sure that you only have the things that you wanted to say in it. I don't want all of this in my document, so I'm just going to highlight it and push the backspace key to delete it. So even though the computer can help you type, you still need to help the computer type the right things. So make sure you check your work. And if you need help, I'm always here. Feel free to ask.